Na-shower ang baby ni Mamang. Baby ni Mamang. Baby ni Mamang na na-shower. Tahu mo tong baby ni Mamang ay. Humot aja to ayo sa dong baby ni Mamang. Laom baby ni Mamang oh. Na humot to ayo to. Sa humot to sampo ay. Humot ayo ang sampo ang baby ni Mamang. Naming ming. Kan sa Mama. Cold ang baby ni Mama. Cold ang baby ni Mama. Na-shower na ba yan ang baby ni Mama? Love ni Mama. Na-shower. Na-shower ako Mama. Maskin ako tayo. Cold ako. Cold ang baby ni Mama. Cold. Shower ang baby ni Mama. Shoot ni Mama sa imong hair. Tapin sa imong hair. Baby na ako. Baby ni Mama. Ayos. Na-shower naman ko Mama. Humot naman ko. Humot naman ko shampoo. Ay ta humot dyan. Ay ta humot dyan sa akong baby. Uy, humot ayaw ang baby ni Mama. Baby ni Mama. Humot ayaw. Ay cold ang baby ni Mama. Gusto ughag sa Mama. Gusto ka ughag ni Mama? Cold ikaw? Sorry no. Sorry, cold ikaw. Na-shower manggod ikaw. Na-shower manggod ka ni Mama pala humot. Shower ka ni Mama para humot ikaw. Cold ang baby ni Mama taluoy. Cold ikaw? Cold ang baby ni Mama. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry na. Baby ni Mama. Sorry. Cold ang baby ni Mama. Nak! Sayed, you want to shower? Yala, mag-shower ikaw. Cold ang baby sa Mama. Dito ka mag-stay sa Mama? Feeling cold ikaw? You want to play? Toro, sodog. Toro. Dito ang baby ni Mama. Tahungot sa baby ni Mama. Ay, na-shower ba? Ay, tahungot sa. Tahungot din ang akong baby na palangga ni Mama. Palangga ni Mama. Palangga ni Mama. Na-shower ka. Cold. This is hello. Isa akong baby. I have a lot of problem now. I have a lot of debit. I want to work because my YouTube is don't have money. I want to work. What I will work but then. Yeah. I want to work. How I work? My God. I'm so stressed with my life because I have a lot of debit. And because I cannot ask to borrow my friend. I don't have good friend that I can borrow good money. Yeah, now too much hard because no one allow me to borrow money for them. I have friend before. She's my best friend, but she don't have money now. She's in the Philippines. She is the only one give borrow for me. No one except her. She's my friend Bayot. He's not a Bayot. That's only her full name, but she's girl. She's not gay. But her full name is when in English is gay. Bayot, gay. But she's not a gay. She's girl. She's Charilyn Bayot. Like that. His full name is Bayot. So she's my best friend and she's too much good. No one other people can replace her. She's too much good for me. Wala. Okay na. Yeah. Full. Yeah. Because you know, she trusted me too much. She trusted me. All her money she gave me. Yeah, hold my money like this. She trusts me too much. Only one people trust me, and also I trust her too much. So we seem like kida, like this, too much, like this. Yeah, we trust each other, and I love her. She's my best friend ever. She not backstab me. Like that. Yeah, she's too much good. She's too much good people. That's why I like her too much. Yeah, now I'm 30 years old and just one people I met like her. Yeah. So, and also I don't know, she also liked me too much. She trusted me. All this one is, yeah. Dumi! Asa we? Sa Yugasa? Sigara empty.
Ada hak ada sa tik ana hindi malam wala asin.
When?
Hindi agad hindi wala na.
Ana?
Ada asin.
Asin?
Iyo hasil.
لا ما في أجرة أصلا إيش هذا بس خضار هذا أجرة أنا هذا بس خضار
Iyo wa istri badan gua sili mati. Cincin anak awal. Awal anak sering bamia asin tadi.
أي
Cincin mati.
ما في هو شوف هذا كيس أنا هو شوف هذا صديق أنت
Iyo
أصلا أنا ركب هنا هذا باب أنا وين أنا إيدي فوق أنا ركب باب هو شيء لسه هو شوف
Ini bos anak wadah
Bes, maaf ya.
di coklat selir. Coklat selir di asin.
ليش ما في شوف هذا هناك ممكن هذا أنت سوي جيب هذا ثاني صح ماركت هذا أحد
Nah, market awal dulu agrat seperti ini nah.
وين هذا ساج فيلبينو ماركت
Petan yang awal anak awal anak betul.
ما في أجرة
Anak awal kita istri bamia saya
إيه.
badan.
دي ما في شيء
Iyo badan kilbet ma wujud sa.
إيه
Anak awal kita, anak fakar, anak gula, anak.
اللي فكر في موجود بس ما في
Anak awal paria, bamia.
إيه